Why was that so scary?
Welcome.
So you clearly know it's our first time.
Hello, party people. Welcome to the hood.
The coolest place in town, the newest cool people.
I am Kay.
I'm Sam.
So I just want you to know that it's time for you to get cozy, grab your snacks, sit down.
Because we need to talk.
Let's go.
Okay. The first thing that we're doing is, because you'll be like, who are these people? What do they know about each other? Why are they eligible to have a podcast together? We thought we'll do a fun game as we start off. So I'm going to ask her 10 questions about me that she has to answer correctly, because you know me. You know me, right?
I
Yeah.
do.
So she does know me. And she will do the same.
Yes.
And we will show you how compatible we are. Because boyfriends,
You should give me a Aadhaar
we are. She also gave me a ring which I forgot to wear today.
And I forgot to wear my ring. It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll wear it next episode.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Cool. You want to start?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to start. So it's going to be a very simple question. Because, so we're going to be asking each other questions about us. So she has to answer about
Yeah.
me and I have to answer about her.
So we're doing this one thing that we realized, कि we don't know the basics of each other. We just went deep into the trauma.
We are trauma bonded,
We
guys.
have trauma bonded because we work together, and clearly trauma can bond you more than anything in the world.
It's true.
All the corporate girlies and guys, woohoo in the comment
Woohoo.
section. Go.
Woo,
We're
woo, woo,
waiting.
whatever you like, whatever you want. Like,
We're waiting for
you
them
want to
to
cry,
comment.
you cry. It's okay.
You can
We know.
put the
We
crying
relate.
emojis.
Okay, cool. I'm going to ask you the first
Okay,
question.
let's go.
If I were a holiday, which one
Bro,
would I be?
she already started with like the. You Jesus! Do I know this about her like that? Okay, what was the question again?
Wow. Wow, guys. This is my co-host. If I were a holiday, which one would I be?
What are my options?
According to you.
What are the options?
Anything. Like, what
Would you be
place
a
would I
chill-
be? Would I be a chill holiday? Would I be a leisure holiday? Would I be an adventurous
Expensive.
holiday? Yeah. Expensive. Luxe.
You,
Would I be a luxury?
I feel like you would be a holiday where you go to heal. You know, those kind of places where you go to meditate and calm yourself and align your chakras and all that.
OMG.
She's giving healing vibes.
I'm the healer,
Yeah.
if you didn't know yet.
चलिए मेरे बारे में बताओ, because I like that question.
Okay. I think you would be a very leisure holiday.
Because I'm a chill gal.
You are definitely a chill gal. But I think it's also because you let people do their thing. You don't judge. You know? So you are going to just let them be. If they want to sleep in the hotel room, you let them do that. It's like that. So yeah, I think she'll be a very leisure-based holiday where there's no itinerary. You just do what you feel like. You want to eat at a restaurant for like 40 hours straight, she'll let you do that. It's like that. And she'll be sitting right next to you saying, "Ha, bro, correct, you're right." So yeah.
I'll ask you the most basic question. What's my favorite color?
Purple.
It's one of my threes, so she knows it is.
See, she doesn't know her shortlisted one favorite color.
I have
So I'm
three
gonna
favorite
take the
colors.
win.
You know what? I think favorites are very overrated.
That's true.
I'll tell you
I
why.
agree.
Because today I have a favorite color or a favorite thing or a favorite book or whatever.
Hmm.
And then maybe that's not my favorite thing a week later. Right?
Very true.
Favorites are overrated. What
Yeah.
do you guys think? Comment down below.
What's my go-to reaction when I'm caught off guard?
Huh? Huh?
Matlab,
Huh?
that was my reaction. It's true. It's true.
Huh?
I'm not even sad.
What do you think is the most annoying thing that I do, but you like that?
But I like that.
Yeah. Because
That's a
that makes
pickle
me
of a
mean.
question.
That makes me mean. So you're ready to be okay with that annoying thing.
I'm not okay with you flirting with other people in
My
front of
God.
me. Sorry.
But you would like it?
No.
Then?
I'm just saying.
Okay, that's just plain annoying. She doesn't want me to do it. She's into
Yeah.
poly. She's not into poly. She's into
not
mono.
I want mono.
To give
I want
fun.
mono, no poly. Only mono.
No poly, only mono allowed. So basically, context behind this is, so in office, so she's my wife, okay? Not just in office, in life.
बोलती है अफेयर इसके 10-15 चल रहे
नहीं
हैं
यार, but I have a little bit of a personality.
and she says at the end of the night I'll come back to you
At
only
the
na-
end of the
like I'm her fucking housewife and she'll come back to me after muh maroing everywhere else she'll come back to me
me. I'm just giving time to
और
everybody.
मेरे सामने she's so shameless.
I don't want to hide and do it behind you. I want to
Wow,
spread
ma'am.
happiness, magic,
Wow,
and
ma'am.
love.
Thank you. Everybody say thank you in the comments to her for being so loyal by being disloyal. Okay, anyway. I think the most annoying thing that I like is shutting people up. You shut people up very like
Oh my God.
you're not mean to them,
Yeah.
but you're also just like, हाँ ठीक है. You know, like when somebody comes to her and like somebody says something, she doesn't say, yeah, I'll get it done. If she does not want to do it. She'll just say, yeah, okay. I'll see if I can do it. Yeah.
Bro, I'm not mean, okay?
She's very straightforward that way. I think that people can think is annoying, but I mean, when she's doing that to other people, it can be annoying to them. But I think it's very, very good.
At least
think it's
something
very
is straight
important.
about me, because I'm not.
Yay! She's out in the podcast, guys. For everybody who did not
Guys, hit
know,
me up. We will link our socials down.
Deha, this is what I said. Disloyal. She's doing this on podcast also. I don't want to say unparliamentary words. Someone shut up.
She learned this not saying.
I didn't learn it. I invented it.
Okay, fine.
What's the weirdest or funniest thing I have ever gotten super passionate about? Or just what is the dumbest or the weirdest thing I've done in front of you? I know her better than she knows me.
No. I'm thinking so many you do weird things. Which one to talk about?
Oh,
So I love the way she passionately rants about our clients.
oh my god.
It. Bro,
Don't out me like that.
Bro, I'm not gonna shut up. This podcast is about us being like 100% the triggered naris
Oh my
that we
God,
are.
yeah.
Oh, welcome to Triggered Naris, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, but that's what I'm saying. The way she passionately rants about the clients is something I love, bro. Like anybody in the team will come and listen and be entertained by how much she is annoyed by that. Yeah. Very fun. I love it. I love it. I just like to listen to her and see her expressions change every 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. What is one thing that comes to your mind when you think about me? The first thing that comes to your mind when you think about me?
Relatable.
I'm relatable. I'm relatable. That is true. That's a fact. But
I think relatable first thing and
oh, I have a genius question after
Sunky.
this. Okay.
cuckoo in the head.
Cuckoo!
Yeah. What's my most iconic moment so far?
Iconic moment.
Iconic.
तो है ही iconic. Like everything you
It's
do.
me, guys.
Yeah,
That's the
why-
moment. I am the moment.
She's the moment. That's why I vibe with you. Na? That's why I spend my time with you. That's why I'm
Correct.
my best friend. That's why I'm my wife. Like I
Yeah.
wouldn't settle for non-iconic. Iconic. She's iconic, guys.
So everybody who she's
Iconic.
flirting with, guys, you're just time pass.
Of course,
Just
bro.
letting her
Everyone is just आँखों को सेकने के लिए. She's the
I'm
main
not
deal.
shaky enough. You're shaky
You're
with
the
other people.
sickest. You're the sickiest. Like my eyes start watering when I see you. Like that much passion. But okay, tell me the assumption you had about me before, like at first, and then what changed
How it
it and
changed.
how
Okay.
how you actually see
Okay.
it.
Guys, she has a very, 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 very strong RBF, okay?
What the fuck
For
is that?
people who don't know what RBF is like her, it's
Oh, I
resting
know.
bitch face. She has a very strong resting bitch face. And so we work for the same client. Um, and I was just like, oh shit, she is intimidating.
Oh, I
Like,
love
I'm
that.
gonna be like, I'm gonna die. How to talk to her, how to approach her, I don't know. Also, I have a problem with approaching pretty girls.
Oh my god, did she call me pretty?
Anyway, so like, I think my first ever, um, what do you say, judgment about you was that, oh, she's gonna be a bitch. But you know what? Every person I've thought about that has become my friend.
So you're generalizing me now.
Can you just shut up and let me finish? My God. Anyway, I think that's what I thought. Like, she had a very strong RBF, and I was just like, okay, this is gonna be very tough for me to like approach her with work or anything that is. What do you think would be my superpower if I had one?
The ability to read minds.
Ooh, I love
For
that.
sure. That is the first thing that came to my head.
Dude, I would
Had.
love that.
I know it because I know you think that way and I know you think about that sometimes. That I
Yeah.
wish I could understand what's going on in their mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always like it's very true, okay? Like,
Yeah.
so I believe that my intuitions are very strong, to be very honest,
Mm.
because most of the times whatever I've thought about has happened.
Mm.
So that's why I say that, okay, if my intuition is about something is this,
Mm.
I know for a fact that it's going to come close to that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I would love that superpower.
Yeah. Even I would love to have that.
Dude, yeah. I was gonna say the same. If you were gonna ask me, like,
Yeah.
what do you think it would be for
Yeah.
me? I think for you also it would be
For
the same.
sure.
It would be to read minds, because I think we are very like intuitive people.
Mm.
To be very honest, I think that's one of the things that we really like
Vibed.
connected
Yeah.
with. And honestly, if we could just know what is going on, what the hell is going on in people's mind, we would be so much better
Yeah.
at
I
interacting with them. To be
swear,
honest,
my overthinking mind
bro,
would
same.
like shut up for once. Because my biggest overthinking is what is that person thinking right now?
Yeah,
That's what I'm thinking about.
dude, every
Most of
time
the
I
time.
say something to someone, I'm just like, shit, what do they think about me saying that?
Yeah.
It would be the nicest thing I would have ever said to that person, but
Yeah.
somehow just
Yeah.
like my overthinking mind is just like, oh my god, did I offend them?
Yeah.
Oh my god, did I say something wrong? Whereas they would be thinking, wow, she's so nice.
Or they would be just thinking about the color of their socks.
Yeah, like they would not even be
Yeah.
listening to
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But like, yeah. I think,
Yeah.
that's a superpower both of us would love to have.
For sure. For
Nice.
sure.
Your turn.
My turn.
Oh, it's gonna be after your question is done. It's gonna be my last question and your last question.
Okay,
I
done.
think. I
Done.
think.
Oh, देखा हम कितना जानते हैं एक दूसरे को. Oh. Okay. If you could pick a theme song for me, which one would it be?
For you. Shit, what is that song?
So you actually know?
Yeah. I think though you're very nice, you have very like, if somebody fucks around with you, you cut them off. You're that kind of a person. I think I'm also like that. So like I can relate with you, and that's why I think this song would be perfect. Wait,
So you're
one
gonna
sec.
play it for us?
I don't think we should play.
Yeah.
They will block us.
Copyright! Oh my god, we're getting to see all these things. So cool. So I'm seeing this side a lot just to tell y'all because her sister is sitting there.
She's
So,
helping us out.
yeah.
Shout
So,
out to Devu.
She helped us setting this up. Was that right English?
She helped us set this up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So shout
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. So the song I think would be "Look What You Made Me Do" by Taylor Swift.
Oh.
I think she looks so hot in that song.
For sure, bro. Taylor
And
Swift.
I think that song is something that I associate with you just because you're very
Just
like
because.
just because because I think you are very like you're very nice to people. You talk to everyone, but as soon as they take advantage of your niceness, you're just like, dude.
Snap,
you.
my scissors come out.
Yeah, that's when you're just like, look what you made me do. Like, cut.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think look what you made me do.
Nice. Bro,
Yeah.
on point. Huh? Smart is coming out.
It comes out only in places when I'm actually supposed to do something fun or smart. I'm just like
Buffering.
okay. Okay. Last question from my end. I think it's the 10th question, guys. If it's not, then sorry.
At this point, they are entertained.
Yeah.
Who's counting? You're entertained.
Also, you let
Do
us
it.
know if you want part 2. We will do it. You know,
Yeah.
we have a lot more questions. But
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. If I were a drink, alcoholic or non-alcoholic,
Non-alcoholic.
or non-alcoholic,
Uh,
which one do you think I would be?
you will be a peach iced tea.
That's very adorable. That's a very pooky drink. I
Exactly,
feel.
because she's a pookie man. She's a certified pookie. Yeah,
I'll take it. I'll take
for
it.
sure. That.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your last
So it's
question.
refreshing. It's nice and sweet, and it's very.
It's little tangy also. in
Yeah.
Places.
Oh yeah. 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 Lemon.
Oh, nice.
Now you tell me.
If you were a
इसने
drink.
तो कभी अल्कोहल को पिया नहीं है, so ये कैसे बताएगी मेरे को alcohol के बारे में?
Taba.
So alcohol के बारे में आप नहीं बता सकते. मेरे को लगता है
I
कि
think-
I am. What I think about myself, I'm an LIT, a mix of everything. But what do you think?
LIT. Yeah, I think you're an LIT.
How do you know? You've not even fucking
No,
tried.
I know what it is.
Okay.
It's a mixture of all the alcohols.
Ooh.
That's what you are. But if I had to say, I think you would be a lemon spitzer.
Oh yeah, what the fuck is that?
It's like a soda,
So,
lemon flavor. Okay, it is very, 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 very.
bro,
Gas comes out.
what did you say?
I'm gassing. I don't know. Maybe you are. Depends on what you ate.
She's going gassing, right?
Hashtag lactose intolerant gang. At, like comment down below saying if you're gassy or just sassy.
I'm gassy and sassy. I'm not gassy.
Okay, anyway, I was saying I think it would be a lemon spritzer because
I'm not gassing.
I think it's a mixer. So you can mix it to alcohol or a non-alcoholic drink, and it will just give that oomph to the oomph factor. You know.
So I'm
It's a
a
mixer.
Okay.
Yeah, you're definitely an oomph.
Okay. कितने अच्छे यार. मैं ना इसी से शादी करने वाली हूँ यार. For sure.
निकलो.
अभी
बाकी
तुम्हें पता
सब
चल रहा है. Do you guys understand now why we're compatible enough to do this podcast? There you go. Last question. I want her to be deeply honest about this because ज़्यादा love हो गया है. अब थोड़ा सा ये भी करते कड़वा
मसाला.
सा. हाँ.
थोड़ा सा
What
मसाला.
is something you actually hate about me? Like
Okay.
genuinely about my personality that you think I could change. Like I should change this about myself. Like I think I should work on it. Maybe.
Guys, it's nothing deep on. Unfortunately, it's just
सच्चाई चाहिए मुझे.
सच्चाई बोल रही हूँ मैं
हाँ.
झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी. I think it's the fact that her attention span shifts every microsecond. Every microsecond, her attention span is somewhere else. I'm just like I'll be talking to her, and I will be okay. I'll be ranting about the client, which according to her is very fun, but she'll be doing something else. She'll listen to me. She'll be like, "हाँ bro, हाँ." I'll be like, "Oh, कितना deeply सुन रही है. What a great listener, bro. I'm so lucky. Like she's like my
चल ज़्यादा
bestie."
नहीं बोल.
चुप रह. भौंक रही हूँ मैं. भौंकने दे मुझे. So I'm literally like, I am honking. Okay. This girl will act like she heard everything, and then 2 minutes later she'll be like, "Bro, so sorry, I was not listening." What did you say? Hasmat. And she does this so much, and like for lunch also, like I'll call her, I'll be like, "Bro, let's go for lunch. बोलेगी हाँ bro, 2 minute. I'll be in the fucking break room with her lunch heated up. I'll put it in the microwave. I'll make sure that it's heated up. Everything has happened. I've held chair for us. This lady is happily talking to the client, happily talking to the design. She's like, bro, this change. And I just come out and I stand like this. I'm just like, sister, lunch. And she's just like, ha bro, I'm coming. And then half an hour later, I'll go to her place and she'll be like, bro, sorry, bro, I forgot. Loser.
Bro. All my ADHD people hit me up right there. Boom, drop that comment. You know what? I feel how that comes because when you're working in an
Creative
agency,
field, yeah.
you have to work with multiple things and 100 things are going on at the same time. So you have to develop that mind space to compartmentalize everything.
Exactly,
They go at the same time.
I agree.
Everything is going at the same time. Like
I agree. The thing is, one of your tasks would be to make a report, which is like very numerical, like very analytical and all of that. The other would be, hey, we have this coming up. How can you make a creative ad for it?
Yeah.
So like there are two very drastic things that you're supposed to do when it comes to your task list. So you're just like finding it difficult to prioritize what needs to be done. And by the end of the day, you're just like, oh, wow, okay, I did finish it. And then you just crash once you come home. I think it's a beautiful experience. I would not recommend.
And after all of these tasks that you have to do, you also have to make sure that you're making friends with people in office, that you're being a vibey person that everybody can like, and that you're, nice to hang out with. Otherwise, people won't hang out with you and you'll be a loner, and then that's not what people like, right?
Luckily, it comes naturally to us.
To you. मेरे को काम करना पड़ता है उसके
Okay, with me it came naturally.
मैं बहुत ही एंटी सोशल हूँ, तो मेरे को सोशल होने के लिए
करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसको, सबके साथ
तो वो मेरे को आता है नेचुरली.
हाँ, कुत्ती है तू.
उभार के.
Not even like, not ashamed of the fact that she is cheating on me. Okay, for everyone who thinks we are a couple, we are not.
We are. You thought right.
We are husband and wife. Actually, we are wife and wife.
Yeah, exactly.
We are wife and wife.
Wife and wife.
Yeah.
Wafi.
But we have our own male counterparts.
Yeah.
Who we don't really care about that much.
They are backup. We are the main things. Yeah.
We're the main chicas.
Yeah.
Chicas.
Yeah.
Why did I say chicas?
Chicas. Chica. That's what chica. Sorry. See,
she can sing well, guys. So please don't.
No.
Don't.
No. I am a bathroom commode singer. And that's it for the
first episode, guys.
हाँ. तो देखिए आपको ऐसा entertainment.
We are just 1 million subscribers away from 1 million. So kindly subscribe.
Yeah.
And हमारा countdown कम करो, guys. Countdown कम करो. Come on. Just 1 million subscribers away. Just 1 million.
तुम लोग सबको views दे सकते हो तो हमें भी दे सकते हो. Because हम actually entertaining है. People entertaining? Question mark.
They have to fake it, guys.
Yeah.
We don't have to. हम लोग ऐसे ही हैं.
At this point मैं तो भूल गई कि मैं एक
कैमरा
बात कर रही हूँ. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मैं भौंक रही हूँ.
Dude, it's so true.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
Yeah.
It's a problem. That's why we started a podcast. We're just like, if we yap so much anyway, we might as well do it for other people and entertain them also. Exactly. And we make money out of it.
Exactly.
Please guys, just 1 million subscribers away. Like, just 1 million. Like, can you believe it? We're growing so fast.
Our manager literally calls us the Yap Masters or the Yap Managers, the CEOs of the Yap
community. Yeah.
आजा भाई, चाय वाय कॉफी जो मन करे लेके
दारू वारू शारू तुम्हारा जो बेवरेज चॉइस है वो लेके बैठो और हमसे बातचीत करो.
हाँ, आप हमसे बात कर सकते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में. तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन का इस्तेमाल कीजिए फिर विश्वास
पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास करे.
हम एक मस्त म्यूजिक भी डालेंगे. हाँ. तो यू गाइस need to subscribe.
Yeah.
The bell icon. We're so doing this for the first time. कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि bell. हाँ.
Guys,
bell.
actually, honestly, towards the middle of the episode, you wouldn't think this is the first time we're doing it, but the intro and the outro. Whoa. No, just do we want to continue watching this? Please continue watching it. Please.
हम 10 मिनट पहले outro करने वाले हैं.
Okay, I was gonna say, please, guys, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Spotify, and we also have an Instagram page. So please, please, please go ahead and hit that follow button and notification button, because apparently Instagram does that now. Well, we work in social media, and we're just letting you know whatever we know. So yeah, guys, help us hit our goal. Anyway,
Takliya. Takliya.
what,
Bye.
what does that mean? Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Always does that. Takliya.
Oh, I thought you were saying Katliya, but you mispronounced.
Takliya.
Takliya.
Takliya. Bye.
Bye.
Cut.